All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to The Parables by Corday. The song came out just a couple days ago. It's really fire. I really like it personally. Go listen to it. It's awesome. And yeah, let's actually take a look at these shoes. Okay, so we are actually gonna take a look at the Jordan 11 Jubilees. And in case you guys did not know, the word Jubilees actually, like the meaning of it is to celebrate 25 years, and that's what this Jordan is supposed to represent. 25 years of the Jordan 11, and this is actually a woman's shoe, so that's why it's a size 12. Retail is $220. In case you guys do need to know, to convert like a male size to a woman's size, just go up 1.5, so this would be a 10.5 in a men's shoe, I guess. And also, I'm not going to be able to do an on feet just because this isn't my size. I usually wear a size 9, but she did get exclusive access, and this was the only size she was able to get, so you know, it was better than nothing. And something that they did do was, it's actually a brand new box, so it opens differently than regular Jordan 11 boxes, which I thought was kind of cool. It's something different, which they normally don't do with boxes, but you know, when they do something new, I gotta call it out, man. It's awesome. They obviously got a brand new like paper. Here, let me show you guys what it says. 1995. Really cool. Just a little bit extra special for a little extra special shoe. And here, let me put this to the side. And here is the shoe. This shoe is really clean. And you know, before we actually, you know, take a look at it, let me get the thing out the way. You know, looks just like the Space Jam, and it also looks just like the 7210 Jordan 11s that came out a couple years ago. So they look very, very similar, but this Jordan is a little bit different, of course. Here, let me spin it around for you guys. So at first I actually really wasn't too interested in this shoe. I thought it was clean, it looked really nice, but I do have the 7210s. I actually have 2 pairs of those, so I didn't really see a point of picking this shoe up. But after actually taking a look at it, I might have to, man, because this shoe is really clean. Here, let me show you it just by itself. Really clean Jordan, man. And one of my favorite parts of the shoe has to be the bottom. Like, look at that, man. It's so nice. I really like this shoe personally, so I might have to pick it up. I know a lot of people actually aren't a fan of this shoe just because they were expecting the cool gray 11s, me as well, and I kind of was disappointed when I saw that they weren't going to come out. But you know, a clean Jordan 11 is a clean Jordan 11, so this shoe deserves like all the praise that it's getting. Really dope, really awesome. Let me spin it around for you guys one more time. So obviously you can see the whole patent leather. That's obviously like the signature thing of the Jordan 11, along with this like mesh up top that you normally see, and the nice smooth leather right here. And something different that they actually did for this shoe is that the Jumpman is actually metal, and it's actually sticking out. You can see it right there. And I didn't know this as well. This is metal too. Here, I don't know if I could really show it too well, but it is metal. And also they do have Jordans right here, and it's metal as well. Should be on both sides as well. And another small detail that they did as well is this part right here is actually leather. I believe usually it's just mesh, but that's a really cool touch. You know, it's something different. And obviously, you know, there's that bottom. I love this bottom, man. Not even gonna lie, this has to be one of the best Jordan 11 bottoms like ever. Like I really love that Jordan 11 bottom. I don't know why, man. I really just don't know why, but I really like it. So just because of that, I might have to pick this shoe up. I'm not sure yet though. I'll see once they come out, which is December 12th. Overall, just a really clean shoe. If you do have the Space Jams and if you do have the 7210s, you don't need this shoe, man. It looks very, very similar. In fact, if it didn't have like this Jordan right there, you could barely tell, if I'm being honest. But you know, it's another new Jordan 11. If you do have to have a if you do need to pick up a brand new Jordan 11, this is definitely one of the best ones. It goes with anything. You could literally wear this like every single day and have no problem because it will go with everything. So I suggest picking it up. I'm probably gonna go for a pair as well, like I stated earlier. Definitely a super clean Jordan 11. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this Jordan 11. Are you guys gonna pick it up? So yeah, like I said, I can't do an on feet, which is unfortunate because this shoe is gonna be like humongous on my feet, man. I'm a size 9, this is a size 10.5, so yeah, it sucks, but you know, hopefully you guys are able to pick up the shoe. Good luck to everybody. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching. Bye.